Okay, maybe we do something more festive.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining in. Welcome to Alexander's photo session, this time with the Christmas edition, as you can see. In this video I will talk about how you can create movie bars within Adobe Premiere Pro, and in the end of the video even got a little gift for you, so stay tuned and see you there. As you can see, I have opened Adobe Premiere Pro and I have added 2 clips to my timeline. These clips are some drone footage which I took on my favorite Mount Pilatus in Switzerland, and although they look good, actually they are missing this cool cinematic effect, this widescreen effect. To add these movie bars, I can create a new adjustment layer, which is a better way. I could actually apply the movie bars to each and every clip separately, but that doesn't really make sense because if you have a lot of clips, it's a lot of repetitive work. So what you want to do is create a new adjustment layer. You can do this by either clicking on this little button down here, new item, and then select adjustment layer, or you can go to the file menu, click new, and go to adjustment layer. You just click OK. It takes the same size as your clip already is, and then you take this adjustment layer and drag it on top of your clips, and you can drag it all across the clips which you have. Now you select this adjustment layer, you go to effects here on top, and you want to search for one of the effects here, which is called crop. Now you take this crop effect again with your mouse, drag it onto your adjustment layer, and this side you could also drag it on top of your clips individually. But here I want to put it on the adjustment layer, and then I want to apply a top and bottom crop. This is visible here. You see you can also put it on the sides, on the left side, on the right side, but I want to do it top and bottom. And to get this letterbox cinematic effect, you want to set this percentage here to 9% on the top and 9% on the bottom. And there you go, you can see it has been live applied. So when I go back to the beginning of my timeline now and just play back again, then it's a bit of laggy because I didn't render it. I started to render this video now just to make sure that I can show you how it actually looks in the end without all the lagging. But actually I got these movie bars on the top and on the bottom of my footage now, which looks much better, I believe. I hope you found this video helpful. It certainly helped me a lot to understand how to create the movie bars. And as promised before, there is a little gift in the description below. Just check out the link. It is a preset which I have created out of these movie bars, so you can easily import it into your Adobe Premiere Pro and just use it as I did before. In addition to this, since it is Christmas, I like to give you one more present, so stay tuned for this super nice clip which I recorded with my loving wife.